How to fix if Wi-Fi icon is missing. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, at the bottom in the search bar, simply search troubleshoot settings. You'll find this kind of screen. Simply click on troubleshoot settings. It will lead you to this page and turn on troubleshoot. If there is any issue in Wi-Fi, it will show up in here and fix it by itself. But if there is no issue in here, what you can do is simply click on Windows R on your keyboard, which will open Run. After you open Run, in here, simply type in as shown on the screen, which is ncp.cpl and press on Enter. After you press on Enter, you will find this kind of screen. Here, right-click on the Wi-Fi you're connecting to. After that, you'll find different options. Click on Disable. After you press on Disable, wait for 10 seconds and again right-click on Wi-Fi. After that, you'll again find different options. Click on Enable, which is the first option. After you press on Enable and it still does not work, what you can do is close this tab and then open Device Manager. In Device Manager, scroll down, click on Network Adapters and expand it. Then right-click on Intel Dual Band Wireless. After you right-click on it, you'll find different options. Press on Disable Device, which is the second option. Again, wait for some seconds and again right-click on Intel Dual Band Wireless and then press on Enable Device. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to fix if Wi-Fi icon is missing. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.